The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has a warning for northwestern Baltimore in northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, 12:30 p.m. At 12:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, rotation. Impact, forward in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris.
Tornado!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 12:30 p.m. At 12:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of the tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Columbia around 12:15 p.m. Historic Ellicott City and Ellicott City around 12:20 p.m. Catonsville and Randallstown around 12:25 p.m. Pikesville, Woodlawn, Owings Mills, Milford Mill, and Lockern around 12:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Daniels, Oella, Macdonald, and Garrison. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.